Hello everyone, I am on an unboxing journey today and it is time for the Dior box. So this arrived from Influencer and Dior. It was gifted to me in exchange for my review. Let's open it up because I love a box that says Dior on it. So inside here we have a lip product. Let's get to it and open it up. This is Dior Addict Dior 8. So if we open it up, super excited for this one. Here is the beautiful packaging. We're just gonna pull this out here. You can see this is the color I received. So it's a really beautiful red and I'm so excited to apply this. I'm not gonna do it now only because I don't have any other makeup on. So I'm going to apply some makeup so I can give you the whole look and I will show you exactly what this color looks like. Stay tuned. Follow me at the Banana Diary so you don't miss the try on.